is a new show we like to call I.Nature. And this is not some boring show. This is a serious show. Now, since this is our first episode of I.Nature, we're going to talk a little bit about me. I like food! Okay, just to the basics. My name is Annika. I live in Plano, Texas. My phone number is... Okay, no phone number. Let's get to what food I like. I like all foods except lasagna. Hey, stop filming my buddy, my whatever it is, old man. And my favorite food is I like every food except asparagus. Asparagus is horrible. And I had my hair up all special for the show. I just forgot to do it. And now my favorite animal is a bluebird or a robin or any kind of birds. My favorite color is green. I like forest green. My favorite plant is an apple tree. My favorite animal is... Wait, did I already say animal? My favorite animal... I already did say it. And I will be filming in my backyard, or sometimes I'll be at the park, maybe inside my house sometimes. Well, sometimes, maybe. We do this every week on Monday. Monday night, because I have school. Stop filming my hair.
Okay, say bye.
And if you don't catch my shows or I.Nature, I'm gonna toilet paper your next door neighbor's trees. And your trees. So if you don't catch this webcast, be careful for that toilet.
See you next week on I.Nature. See you next week on I.Nature.
See you next week on I.Nature. Now let's give a really big hand to everyone in this show and everyone watching. So give our producer a hand. Now point our technical producer a hand.